Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Rafael completes SPYDER air defense trial with SPYDER missiles against low signature drones and multiple aerial threats. Rafael has completed a trial of its SPYDER air defense system in Israel. The system used SPYDER integral Darby extended range and SPYDER LR missiles to intercept multiple simulated threats. The trial covered several scenarios based on current and future operational threats. Rafael reported direct hit-to-kill engagements against targets including low radar signature unmanned aerial vehicles. The test incorporated system updates developed from recent operational experience. These included lessons from the war in Israel and operations in other theaters worldwide. Rafael said it continues to adapt SPYDER to emerging battlefield requirements. The company is upgrading the system as aerial threats and operational conditions change. SPYDER is a mobile air defense system based on Rafael's Python and SPYDER air-to-air missiles. It operates as part of a multi-layered defense architecture. The system is designed to counter a broad range of aerial threats. Its modular architecture supports the protection of strategic assets during stationary and mobile operations. Rafael said SPYDER combines rapid response times with operational flexibility in complex air environments. The system is operated by international customers, including NATO and European Union member states. Romania recently selected SPYDER under a large-scale air defense procurement. The Czech Republic previously selected the system and signed a supply agreement with Rafael and Israel's Ministry of Defense in 2020. Rafael CEO Yoav Torjman said the company would continue developing SPYDER using operational experience and new technology. He also pointed to international demand for the system, including its recent selection by Romania. Rafael is a global leader and a center of excellence for combat-proven air defense systems that address complex threats across a range of distances. Among our leading systems currently in operational use in Israel and worldwide are Iron Dome, David's Sling, and SPYDER. The successful SPYDER trial reflects our commitment to continue developing advanced capabilities based on operational experience, technological innovation, and the integration of operational lessons, to ensure the system provides an optimal response to evolving threats across the various theaters. The repeated selection of SPYDER by many nations worldwide, most recently Romania, reflects the growing confidence in its operational capabilities and its suitability for the air defense needs of nations seeking to contend with a complex and changing threat environment. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.